श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु सुखमहर्षि यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Gomata and Dharma Devata is having a conversation. Gomata saying that, O Dharma Devata, Sakshat Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and now he withdrew his avataram. O Dharma Devata, I am unable to bear the separation from Sri Krishna Paramatma. Kava Saheta Viraham Purushottamasya. Such great Purushottamas separation, who would be able to bear on this earth? O Dharma Devata, that Paramatma's Premavaloka, the beautiful looks, the affectionate looks, Ruchirasmita, joyful smile, Madhuroktulu, Nayanamulu, Darahasamulu, Dayarasambu. The kind words Krishna Paramatma spoke, the heartfelt conversation Krishna Paramatma does with all that kind of affectionate, heart-touching activities, all the girls in Yadava Kulam, the dynasty of Yadava, they all just were captivated by Krishna Paramatma. They cannot think any other thing other than Vasudeva. O Dharma Devata, such Sri Krishna Paramatma, with his touch, the time that I had touch of Krishna Paramatma's divine feet, Romotsavo mama yadangri vitankitayaha. With that divine touch of Krishna Paramatma's Sripadam on me, I used to get goosebumps. I always used to get so much of happiness. Now such Krishna Paramatma is not there on me. O Dharma Devata, which girl on this earth would be able to bear the separation from Sri Krishna Paramatma? Like that Gomata, feeling the pangs of separation of Krishna Paramatma and also expressing her pain to Dharma Devata. While Gomata and Dharma Devata having this conversation, Parikshinnama Rajarshihi Praptaha Prachim Saraswatim. The Rajarshi, King Parikshit, came to the banks of the river Saraswati. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.